Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily check all your check-ins on Facebook. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, open up the Facebook app on your phone and you'll have to tap on your three lines on the bottom right corner to head over to the menu of your Facebook account, and then you'll have to tap on that gear icon to head over to the settings of your account. Now, once you're on this page, you'll have to scroll down all the way until you find activity log in your activity section, and you'll have to tap on activity log, and then you'll have to tap on your Facebook activity, and after that you'll have to scroll down and tap on manage posts, and it will take you to a new page where you'll have to tap on filters on the top left corner and then tap on categories, and after that you'll have to tap on check-ins, and right here you'll be able to find all the check-ins that you have done ever on Facebook since your account has been created, and you can always find them on this page with the date of the check-in that you when you made that check-in. So I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions about